Hey everybody, so welcome to Stock Like. It was great news yesterday evening that Palantir just crushed the numbers. The Rule of 40, I guess it was, they almost doubled that, and I listened to the earnings call and everything about the earnings call. I'm kind of ecstatic of how the numbers, how much money they're making, and their whole business line, and then AI, everything about it. And I think, like, just what Alex Karp said, this is just the beginning, and we did it. And I thought it was a really cool call, and up $20 at least right now. And yeah, it was just the best news you could get. I was I wasn't expecting like this huge run up. I was thinking they're just incrementally going to grow, but it looks like their numbers, almost the revenue that they're doing per year, and the billions, and the government side and the consumer side, and they have areas that they could grow on. I think it was Europe or something like that. EU, they can still expand in, so they can even there's so many areas that they can still continue to expand into. So man, it was awesome news. So yeah, I'm just keep doing my DCA, and just I know other people, a lot of other people, they have more and this and that, and but it's it doesn't matter how much you have. Maybe if you a few shares or just starting out, it's not even late right now to get into Palantir. It's just I think it's just the beginning of their growth cycle. But like some of mine, I have it like in the cost average, like in like 15 to 20, but I'm still DCAing into it, and but I don't have a ton of shares like a lot of people have. Some people don't. I'm happy if I get so much this and that, but I'm here for the long run, for the journey, Palantirian journey. It just I love what they do, what they stand for, and then I'm just gonna have conviction just to keep holding for the long term. Just keep DCAing into it, no matter how what I can afford. Just dollar cost averaging every day, and then growing it from there. Uh, like if you don't have a ton of money to jump into Palantir, that's okay. I mean, if you already did, you're a whale right now, that's cool too. But I just wanted to slowly DCA, keep doing that, and then just keep building up my share portfolio for the long term. I'm like 5, 10 years out, because it has such great potential. I wouldn't mind sometime down the road to have some little discounts, because it's just kind of going straight up almost. No, it's just kind of like incrementally up. But $100 is kind of, if you look back, it's kind of nothing. If it eventually does some kind of split or something like that, it's a nothing down the road. And how much business that they're doing, and then they don't really have much marketing. It's just kind of these companies are coming towards to them. Some of them, I guess, they're saying in the call that some companies are trying their LLMs, AI, trying to do that on their own, and then also at the same time they're looking into getting Palantir services. They're kind of doing both, but they end up picking Palantir because they can do it so much better. And then I think when chip prices and all that go down, all these they make it easier for other companies to get into AI. I think it's gonna even more and more that's gonna grow. Just like how the internet was in the beginning. It was only a few. It was started off slow, and then it just grew exponentially. And I think that's what's gonna happen with Palantir down the road. So right now it's like 103, and it's been just continues to go up. But I think it's gonna base here a little bit, and then just and it'll be fine. I'm not really looking huge on the charts, because I'm just doing my kind of set it and forget it with my DCA, and just doing it that way. I have some other accounts I'm doing Palantir too, but maybe eventually when it gets bigger, I'll just consolidate everything in one. That'd be the best way to go about it. Um, and even if you have like a Roth IRA, that's even better. But yeah, awesome news about Palantir yesterday. If you have a chance, like definitely listen to that call. That was great. Like if you have Robinhood, I think you can just click on it and see the call, and it's on YouTube somewhere. I was trying to find, I don't know, but I just linked it in from my Robinhood account and I went to the call live that way. But I think I sure they have the call in Robinhood or any other brokerage. They probably have the call there. You can jump right towards. It wasn't you didn't have to go through some hoops to get to the call or anything. It was just right away. It just linked, and then from that call it just jumped to YouTube. They had a call on YouTube. It's kind of cool. That's just fits Alex Karp's personality, the whole team's personality. Looked, they just have that little round table, kind of classic, kind of cool. Um, yeah, it was a great call. So if you have a chance, just listen to that call and definitely recommend it. And you get a lot of the breakdown, all the numbers that how much they're growing. It's really detailed in the call. This video is more just congratulations to all the Palantirians that are holding this Palantir Technologies. We were holding it from the very beginning, or in the $6 range, or if you just got in, start looking at it, welcome aboard, and then just yeah, I think there's just gonna be great things to come down the road. And with Palantir, like some of my accounts, I think I'm gonna start getting more into buying more to catch up with Palantir. It's something I'm just doing my DCA and just, but I think now that it's in this, I think it's gonna be in this $100 to $200 range. I think it's just started just at the beginning of its kind of run, but I don't think it's gonna jump like in the video or anything like that. But then again, I don't want to miss if there's some huge run up and then I miss my chance. I don't know how it's gonna take for a while to come down, but for that one, I'm just doing my DCA mostly from what I can do, and just doing it that way. But yeah, lump sum doesn't hurt you that much either. But yeah, awesome news. So yeah, this is my talk on Palantir, not a financial advisor or anything like that. Just my opinion here, and I think based on those numbers, I think guidance was good and all that too, and I think some of these analysts are gonna bump up their numbers, their price ranges as well. I don't think there's been any news about, maybe there has, but yeah, it's just waiting on it. Of course, there's bears out there that are saying this and that, like the growth is impossible to grow into. I was reading some of these, and then some are like a few gave them upgrades, so that those are coming in. So they're like, the bear case is so small, but then the bull case is so much greater. These analysts are going to start coming in, falling in line, and start raising their expectations, their price targets, and all that. So look out for that too. Is like their price targets are probably going to be raised as well. But yeah, they're all good. There's some people that are crazy that they're this and that. Yeah, I know Robin was saying that the sell volume decreased, but of course there's always, just like with Tesla, there's always people that are trying to short things, but that's good because that helps boost the price and they have to cover. So I don't mind that. as long as the price is good, the growth is good, and everything's good. But yeah, thank you for watching this video. Congrats to everybody that owns Palantir, the whole company, everybody involved in bringing all the great things that Palantir is doing. But yeah, if you like this video, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. Later.